What's up? This is Jay. So I'm building a French drain. It recently rained where I live, and I'm building a French drain. As you can see, my gutter here is just going straight down to the ground. So I've been digging this hole all the way down. Can't really see it in the shadow, but all the way down to here, because I only have this right now. So I bought this here from Home Depot, this thing here. And as you can see with this has holes right there. I don't know if you can see those little holes right there, but this has holes in them. Sorry about the angle of the camera here, but that hole, those holes there, so you can barely see me put my finger in, they let the water drain out. So what I've decided to use is this here, breaking up the dirt. So I'd be breaking it up here, right? Shoveling it, and then I'm getting it. So it breaks it, and then shovels it. And by the way, this stick here is for like a measurement line, to try to measure straight all the way down. And then I'm just using a regular old shovel, which I've been shoveling right here. You can see this here is deeper than this, and it's also wider. So I'm trying to go as wide as the actual shovel is on top there, and digging it as deep as the shovel is. So there's my foot, wide, as deep as the shovel is. What I'm trying to do, this is what I'm trying to do. We'll see if it works, especially during another rainfall that we have. So what I'm trying to do is, you can see here, this here, so I bought one of these, okay? This is like an extender, so that goes there, on there, right? That goes there, and then you can extend this out. So I put that there, and what I'm trying to do is, I'm gonna have this French drain run on top, and this just run right to it, so it dumps the water, or have it positioned like this. We're just gonna dump the water right in to the French drain and then run it all the way down. But what I'm gonna do is, when I'm done with this hole, I'm going to put rocks, pebbles. See these pebbles I bought? These pebbles are about $5 a bag. I bought 2 of them. I'm really hoping they're enough. So we'll see what happens with this French drain. When I'm done, I'll do another video as I lay down the piping of the French drain. See what happens. All right, it's Jay. I'm out of breath, and see ya later.